Alright, so for this one, you're just going to start off on an A minor chord, index finger, first fret of the B, middle finger, second fret of the D, ring finger, second fret of the G. And for the strum pattern, I'm doing kind of a palm muted thing. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. So you're going to do that. Then you're going to go up to a D chord, index finger, second fret of the G, middle finger, second fret of the high E, ring finger, third fret of the B. Then you're going to go to a G, middle finger drops down to third fret of the low E, ring finger, third fret of the B, pinky, third fret of the high E, and then I kind of mute out the A string with the underside of my middle finger. Alright, so we got to a C, so index finger, first fret of B, middle finger, second fret of D, ring finger, third fret of A. Let's try that. Alright, so that should get you a good start on this song. If this lesson was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.